Alright, so today we're going to talk about organic chemistry. I'm going to just introduce you to the idea of organic chemistry. And organic chemistry, from its name, organic, you should know, is anything that has life. So it could be food things, living things. But organic chem, all these compounds have carbon in them. So we are known as a carbon life form, and life on Earth is carbon-based. So everything that's alive has carbon in it. Whether it's plants, animals. Some science fiction writers kind of write maybe there's something else, maybe kind of silicon life form, because one of the key things about carbon is it forms 4 bonds very easily. And silicon does the same thing because it's in the same family. So carbon forms 4 bonds, again, very easily. From Lewis dot structures, you remember it was kind of always in the middle whenever we'd make those. It was always a center atom because it forms 4 bonds. The other thing that's great about it is a small atom. So not only does it form 4 bonds, but it's small, and smaller things tend to form stronger bonds. So the next thing we're going to do is basically, you know how to count in chemish, alright? Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. Well, think of organic chemistry as being a dialect of chemish. So here's how you count in O chemish, which O being organic. So the last 6 are the same. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And starting at 5, 5 is penta, 6 is hexa, 7 is hepta, 8 is octa, 9 is nona, and 10 is deca. So these are the same as what we learned just when we were naming 2 nonmetals, or what we would call covalent compounds. But the first 4 numbers are different. So number 1 is going to be meth when we're dealing with organic compounds. 2 is going to be F. 3 is going to be prop. And 4 is going to be bute. Alright, so what these are prefixes, which we're going to put in the front end of suffixes that tell us how many carbons we have. So again, these values, or these names and numbers, tell us how many carbons in our compound. Or we might say, instead of in our compound, we might say in a row, because we're going to find out that they always come in rows. So how many, let's put this right here, carbons are in a row? And that is just a quick introduction to organic chemistry.